everyone, welcome to How Inez Rolls. It is after vacation and we're getting a little bit bare in the refrigerator, so I need to go grocery shopping. Let's go. And I thought today we could go to Walmart and Jonas is gonna go with me. Yeah, so he's gonna go with me. We're gonna have some son-mom time, and we're just gonna, actually I'm really glad he's going because he's gonna be able to help pick out some things that I know the boys will eat. So let's go. We're masked up and we have our reusable bags and we're ready to go into Walmart. So we're getting some pumpkin here to start stocking up our pantry. It's practically fall. Do you guys notice when you go shopping that there's arrows on the ground, and do you follow it? I try to, because people like to point that out to me. Okay, since I left and came back, it's starting to get dark. So sorry for the lighting like this, but this is what happens when it's winter at my house or when I go shopping at night. So I've spent about $145. And I wanted to show you a couple of cool things that I got. But the rest, I don't know, I just let Jonas pick out a lot of it. And I'll tell you some other ideas for some meals. With it being the end of the summer, I think they're pushing out a lot of their summer clothes and their summer shoes so that we can get like the boots and stuff in. You guys, I got these and these. Now, I've already had a couple of these pairs, so I already knew that these fit me. But these ones are new to me. $5, you guys, each. So you may want to go check it out. The only thing that I have to warn you about is that this will separate a little bit. And then that's when you know you need to get rid of them. So I wear them until I break them in. So anyways, $5 each. Good price, right? And then right behind me, I've been wanting to get a pack of toilet paper every time I go, and I got some Diet Coke and some Diet Root Beer for Jonas. He said he wants to make them in the big cups with the ice maker ice. Let's get some things put into the freezer in the refrigerator. So I got a couple of these cheese pizzas while we were gone on vacation. I had a couple and Kobe ate them, so he must really like them, so I thought I'll just get him some more. I bought a bag of their onion rings. I really like their onion rings. And yay, I found the family size pack of these pork sausages for breakfast. These are my favorite. They fit an English muffin perfectly with, you can put a little egg on that, a little cheese if you want. But I just like to eat them. I think they're a good snack, and they're very, very tasty. And then I just picked up some more milk and some more eggs because I love eggs. I was actually quite surprised the last time I asked how many eggs that you all ate. And there was some that were very, very high. And I think eggs are probably like most economical way to get good protein, right? So let me go put these away and keep going. So I love using these reusable bags. I probably walked away with, even though there's 4, probably about 6 less Walmart bags. So I'm happy about that. Let's show you some other things that I got. I am still stocking up, so I picked up 3 more of these, the boxes of spaghetti. Now these are gonna be great for easy meals, obviously, spaghetti. But let's say my neighbor is needing something. And I could put in a bag a box of this, a jar of this, and also a can of mixed vegetables. I have some carrots, I have some corn, I have some green beans, I think, in there. So that would be a perfect meal to pass along to somebody who was in need. When at the end of the year, when the Boy Scouts or like the mail service comes and does like food drive, then I kind of go through some of the things that we didn't use up as quickly, and I donate it, and then I get some more to restock up. So something to think about if you are ones who don't want to stock up. It might be something to have to give to a needy charitable donation. You just never know, right, guys? I'm also stocking up on some of the baked goods. So this is my favorite flour. It's kind of like an integrity based flour. It's unbleached. It says excellent for baking. It's natural. And on the back, it used to say, I think they've changed their packaging, but it used to say like kosher and then GMO free, you know, all that fun, you know, keywords that gets me to buy it. So that is about $3.50 for that, instead of paying like $1.50 for like regular white flour. I saw this and I thought Paul could try it. So this is buffalo style chicken dinner kit. So all you do is add the chicken, but look you guys, it's gluten-free. So I'm gonna let Paul try that. It looks like it might be something he may like. If that's the case, this was $2.50. And I could stock up on some of these things in our pantry as well. So also talking about stocking up, I did find the Baby Reds instant mashed potatoes. I know some of you had told me that I should try them. So I will give it a try and report back. I bought 2 of these for Paul's lunches. These are gluten-free. Actually, he's been eating them, I think, for breakfast. So, but these are specifically for Paul. And these are also specifically for Paul. He really likes having some beef jerky to take and have with lunch. We have a whole bunch of trail mixes in the drawer still, so he's good on that for a while. But these ones are specifically for me and the boys. We just got some Little Debbie's. These are the boys, one of their favorites. They love these. And the last time I bought them, these ones, these Nutty Buddies. They went by pretty quickly. I picked up some corn tortillas, which are good for tacos, and we just actually had tonight some green enchilada casserole. So I make one for Paul and then flour tortilla for the other ones for us. I'm also, like I said, stocking up on some of the baked goods. So I thought every time I go grocery shopping, I will also pick up a bag of chocolate chips. The fall will be here before we know it. And with back to school, to me, my heart is already singing it's fall. So I can't wait to change my front door decor. Anybody like that? Let's put these away and keep going. So I picked up a couple of these ground beefs. These are pretty lean. They're 90-10. I normally do 93-7. So I'll just make sure that I can rinse out or dab out any oils that I see. I picked up some more Grandma's Sycamore. This one I don't see very often. This sunflower and honey. And that one I really like. And then I just got another white one for the freezer. So I'm going to be putting all of these into the freezer right now. And I picked up some of this Country White. It's Canyon Bakehouse gluten-free bread. So Paul uses this for hamburger buns, or if he wants something for breakfast, he could use them then as well. But mostly, primarily, whenever we make hamburgers, this is the buns. And they're like little itty-bitty slices, like not even a finger thick length. I mean, or width. Kind of funny, huh? It's like these little miniature breads. I picked up some gluten-free flour because I am going to keep stocking up on this as well. This is a very inexpensive price for gluten-free flour. I believe it's like $3.50 or $2.50, something like that. But you guys, I've seen this go up to like $7 at the store. So whenever I see them, I'm going to buy them because when I make stuff in the fall, like a lot of muffins, I like to make Paul his own batch. And whenever I make a lot of cream of chicken soup. And so that's how I make it. And I make that for all of us. So I don't buy any cans now of cream of chicken soup. I just make it. So talking about fall, pumpkin muffins are our favorite. So I bought 4 of these. They were 87 cents each. So I thought I could just start buying a bunch and putting them in the pantry. And they will be gone before Thanksgiving. I picked up Parmesan cheese, Monterey Jack, and then our favorite medium cheddars, and sliced as well. So we're going to be, a couple of those are for an upcoming recipe. I also picked up my bougie tuna. So I need to really get to Costco because I really need to buy that in a big pack. Don't you think? And I also bought some onion soup mix. We had an extra sour cream in the fridge, so why not make it into a dip? So let me put these away. We're near the end. I'm gonna show you our healthy parts, like our veggies and fruits and things like that, and then we'll end up with this. So hold on. All right, we picked up some baby carrots, some potatoes. Gotta use up those potatoes. Now, if I don't use up my broccoli, I slice it up or I chop it up and put it into freezer bags. Same thing with the carrots. They are great for just adding them into stews or soups or even some casseroles. And then I bought stuff to make salad. So some lettuce, tomato, and cucumber because we will be making some taco salads, you guys. So I'll be making those tomorrow probably. And then we have lots of tortilla chips. So we'll probably have taco salad one day and then nachos the next day. So that's it for the healthy. Now let's finish up this haul. Okay, so I picked up a couple of these. I've been hearing some really great things. I think I've had them before and they've just kind of packaged them a little bit, but they're sweet, but no calorie. So I am like a flavored water, but it's bubbly flavored water that isn't like seltzer water. Or sparkling water. So we are gonna try them again and see if we like them. I even like sparkling water. Let me know in the comments if you guys like a good sparkling. And then with that, I also picked up some lemon waters. These are my favorite. So I can drink them warm. I can drink them cold. It's my favorite. Okay, Doritos. Because I have bougie tuna, I had to pick up a bag of Doritos. So it's funny because if I start eating tuna, then the boys don't eat these because they think I have tuna hands. Win for me. And then I let Jonas pick out some of these. He picked out 4 of them. He has been really liking these Alfredos. And what a great price. Easy lunch for him to do or just a snack. It's perfect. And you guys, whew, that's a lot of stuff that I got for about $145, don't you think? So thanks so much, Rollers, for sticking with me through the whole haul. And give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if there are some things that you purchased or maybe some suggestions on things that I need to try. So have a wonderful evening and stick around, Rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.